You've printed and powdered, now it's time to cure your transfer. At the end of this process, you will have a completed DTF transfer ready to store, sell, or press on a garment. The curing process sets all of the ink and melts the adhesive powder. It's best to use a combination dryer shaker or sheet curing oven to cure your transfer, but in a pinch, you can use your heat press, hovering about 1/4 of an inch above the transfer to cure it. A temperature between 225 and 245 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 110 to 118 degrees Celsius, will cure the transfer in roughly 2 minutes. A higher temperature will cure faster, but you'll run the risk of over-curing and ruining your transfer. A properly cured transfer will have an even orange peel texture across the entire printed area. It literally looks like a white orange peel. If the transfer is under-cured, it will look grainy, almost like sandpaper. If it's over-cured, usually caused by the oven being too hot, the white powder starts to yellow or crack and the film can begin to shrink. Under-curing is way more common than over-curing. A properly cured transfer will come out of the oven very glossy, and as it cools, it will become more of a semi-gloss to matte sheen. That's how you know it's ready to handle. If you're going to store them, just make sure they are in a dry, temperature-controlled space that's away from direct sunlight. If you're making the finished garment, it can be pressed right away. If you're finding this video informative, let us know by hitting that like button, and if you want more expert DTF tips and ideas, subscribe to the channel and join our DTF community. And head to DTF.com for industry news, products, shop profiles, and more tips to help you grow in the DTF space.